Avalanche value equivalent to $35.715 a coin. The present exchange cost range, $35.2904 $37.0642. The earlier day close, $36.11408. The change was 0.693 to 47%. Backwards rate, US to Avax. Avalanche conjecture for August 2024. At the outset cost at $32.602. Excessive cost $40.0413, while low cost $32.602. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $35.49 at 59. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $37.42.18. Change for August 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for September 2024. First and foremost cost at $37.42 at $18. Exorbitant cost $46.44.80, while low cost $37.42 and 18. The found the middle value of cost $41.752. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $43.40.93. Change for September 16%. Avalanche estimate for October 2024. First and foremost cost at $43.40.93. Exorbitant cost $48.105, while low cost $41.90.25. The found the middle value of cost $44.64.47. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $45.565. Change for October 38%. Avalanche cost expectation for November 2024. Before all else cost at $45.565. Excessive cost $55.1241, while low cost $45.565. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $49.757. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $52.655. Change for November 16%. Avalanche figure for December 2024. Before all else cost at $52.655. Excessive cost $64.720, while low cost $52.655. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $57.578. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $60.62.80. Change for December 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for January 2025. At the outset cost at $60.280. Excessive cost $75.2515, while low cost $60.6280. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $66.7090. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $70.285. Change for January 16%. Avalanche conjecture for February 2025. At the outset cost at $70.285. Excessive cost $76.6455, while low cost $66.6171. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $71.3056. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $71.313. Change for February 19%. Avalanche cost expectation for Walk 2025. Initially cost at $71.313. Excessive cost $79.7114, while low cost $69.2818. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $73.7803. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $74.49.66. Change for spring 4%. Avalanche figure for April 2025. Initially cost at $74.49.66. Excessive cost $83.28, while low cost $69.512. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $74.72.19. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $74.79.70. Change for April's on 4%. Avalanche cost expectation for May 2025. At the outset cost at $74.79.70. Excessive cost $81.5784, while low cost $79.46. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $75.18.804. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $76.24.15. Change for May 19%. Avalanche gauge for June 2025. In the first place cost at $76.24.15. Exorbitant cost $84.84.16, while low cost $73.74.8. The found the middle value of cost $78.512.88. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $79.29.12. Change for June 40%. Avalanche cost expectation for July 2025. At the outset cost at $79.912. Excessive cost $85.588.42, while low cost $74.28.62. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 79.80 Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 79.9852. Change for July's or 9%. Avalanche conjecture for August 2025. At the outset cost at $79.98 and $52. Excessive cost $88.89 and 71, while low cost $77.657. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $82.74. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 83.14. Change for August 3.9%. Avalanche cost expectation for September 2025. Initially cost at $83.14. Excessive cost $91.84 to 75, while low cost $79.83.01. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $85.14 to 95. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 85.388. Change for September 3%. Avalanche figure for October 2025. Initially cost at $85.83 and $88. Excessive cost $106.431, while low cost $85.8388. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $94.44 and 84. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 99.730. Change for October 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for November 2025. Before all else cost at $99.730. Excessive cost $99.730, while low cost $77.78.64. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $90.84.34. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 83.413. Change for November 16%. Avalanche conjecture for December 2025. Before all else cost at $83.64 and $13. Excessive cost $83.54 and 13, while low cost $65.406. They found the middle value of cost $75.72.05. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 70.587. Change for December 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for January 2026. To start with cost at $70.587. Exorbitant cost $84.6027, while low cost $70.587. They found the middle value of cost $75.80.26. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 78.7502. Change for January 12.1%. Avalanche gauge for February 2026. In the first place cost at $78.7502. Exorbitant cost $78.7502, while low cost $65.8183. They found the middle value of cost $73.5228. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 70.724. Change for February 10.1%. Avalanche cost expectation for Walk 2026. In the first place cost at $70.724. Exorbitant cost $70.724, while low cost $55.2874.